so you probably know about Chinese New Year. You've seen the dragon dances, the parades, and maybe you've even received a red envelope. But here is the thing. If you think the holiday starts on New Year's Day, you are actually missing the wildest part of the story. The real chaos? It happens in the days before. For us, the week leading up to the New Year is basically survival mode and igno. For my friends in the West, some of our traditions during this week can look pretty confusing. So, let's break down what is actually happening. First off, people always ask me, why does the date keep changing? Why isn't it on the same day like Christmas? Simple answer, the moon. We follow the lunar calendar. So, if the moon cycle shifts, the holiday shifts. It's usually late January or early February. Just Google it. Every year like the rest of us. It's fine. Now let's talk about the kitchen god. Yes, you heard me right. About a week before the New Year, we have a very specific mission. We have to bribe Agad. The legend says Agad lives in our stove and watches everything the family does all year. A few days before the New Year, he flies up to heaven to give a performance report on us to the Jade Emperor. So, what do? We offer him sticky candy and sweets. The idea is literally to glue his mouth shut, or at least make his mouth so sweet that he can only say nice things about us. It's basically spiritual bribery, and we are not ashamed of it. Then there is the cleaning. You might see your Asian neighbors cleaning their windows like mania sees. This isn't just spring cleaning. We are literally trying to sweep away the bad luck that accumulated over the past year. But here is the catch, and this is the part that shocks people. We have a strict deadline. You must finish all cleaning before midnight on New Year's Eve. Why? Because on New Year's Day, cleaning is forbidden. If you sweep the floor on the first day of the year, you are sweeping away your wealth and good luck. So, put the broom away, or grandma will get very mad. And finally, the red explosion. In the last few days, we start pasting red paper on doors and buying red clothes. It's not just a fashion choice. It comes from an old story about a monster called Nian who is afraid of the color red and loud noises. So, all that red, it's a defense system. So yeah, the days before the Lunar New Year are exhausted. We are cooking, cleaning, traveling, and bribing gods. It is chaotic, loud, and stressful, but the point is to reset. We clear out the old energy so we have space for the new luck to come in. So if you see your friends panicking this week, don't worry, we're just getting ready to start fresh.